In this video I'll show you how to remove your dome light from your Honda from the late 90s, early 2000. Open the sunglasses compartment and there will be two Phillips head screws to remove. Alright, that's good, you can close it. And now there is this plastic cover over the light you'll need to remove. You see there are two small slots on each side. One there and one there. You need a flathead screwdriver or a knife or something that you can jam between them and pry just a little bit. It may slide a bit, so be careful to not scratch. Once you're done, do the other side. You just need to release it a bit, and sometimes it flies off like it just did. And there will be two more Phillips head screws. Take your screwdriver and take them out. And the other side didn't have one because I guess the last owner removed it by himself. To remove the connector, you just need to press on this tab and pull at the same time. Press and pull. There we go. So there you have it. Your dome light is now disconnected. You just need to put back the plastic cover. Put this side up first, and then clip the bottom part. And you're done.